Tavy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a tutorial of how to make Unicorn Galaxy slime. Okay, that was weird. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you like this tutorial. I will definitely be doing more in the future and I am super excited to do so. Also, make sure you guys like this video for more. And if you like this video, then like it. I mean, yeah, so yeah, let's just get into the video. So what you will need is this purple glitter glue, which is going to be the base slime. And this one is just beautiful. It's kind of hard to see on camera how beautiful it is, but in real life it is gorgeous. Next up, you will be needing some activator because you gotta have activator when you're making slime. This is optional, but I'm going to be using some glitter just to make the slime even more pretty. A spoon or some type of mixing tool. And lastly, a bowl. So the first step is to, of course, pour your glue into the bowl. And this is so satisfying. I love this part. Look how pretty. And also a fun slime tip. If your glue is not coming out and you don't want to waste all that glue, you can leave the bottle upside down for maybe a few hours and all of it will come out and all of your glue will be into the slime, not just wasted. Next step is to add our activator, which is going to transform the glue into slime. This is pretty much my favorite part of making slime because this is when it becomes slime. And just add a bit at a time. You do not want to add too much at a time because then your slime will get way too hard and you do not want a hard slime. So basically you're just going to mix, and while you're mixing I like to add more activator. And you just want to keep on doing this until your slime is formed. And remember to be patient when you're doing this. It can take a pretty long time. So yeah, just be patient is a good rule. So yeah guys, I'm gonna see you when the slime is all activated. Alright guys, so here's the finished slime. I am in love with this, and yeah, it is a bit foggy as you can see, but I love it anyway. It is really good, super stretchy, really nice. It is super thick and nice, but also really stretchy, and that's what I really love about these slimes. They're so nice. And I'm gonna add a few add-ins and toppings and stuff, like some charms and the glitter that I showed you guys before, and this is gonna be beautiful. Ta-da! So this is the finished slime. I absolutely love this. I popped it into this super cute heart container and I put some star glitters and a cute little unicorn charm because this is a unicorn slime after all. So yeah, let's get into the ASMR. anyways, that is pretty much it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and click that red subscribe button down below so that you can get more videos, and also that notification bell so that you'll never miss another video. So that's pretty much it. Bye, guys!